Siweite Fiberglass is a manufacturer specializing in fiberglass industry and certificated by ISO 9001 and AAA level supplier in China. We have devoted ourselves to providing high-quality composite products with high-quality raw materials. Products quality and customer requirements are the most important for us. We have 3 production lines with daily capacity 20,000 meters. Our customers from all over the world, including America, South America, Europe, the Middle East, Africa, South Asia, etc. Our products include fiberglass gel-coated panels, fiberglass polyester roofing sheets, skylight sheets, and FRP cooling tower sheets. Fiberglass sandwich panels with insulation foam core. We have been recognized by customers as a reliable business partner. And through broadening new technologies, gradually expanding and extending, to create new products to meet the needs of customers in different fields. Our engineers have more than 20 years production experience in the FRP industry. Our goal is to establish long-term cooperation based on high-quality products and achieve win-win cooperation. This is our constant pursuit. Anticipation and your common cooperation creates your night sky. Siweite Fiberglass always welcome your coming.